Number 17. The graph above shows the distribution of the number of years of experience for 25 teachers enrolled in an advanced degree program at a particular university. If a 26th teacher with 2 years of experience is added to the program and to the data set, then what's going to be the effect on the mean and the median of the data set? So first off, let's calculate the mean before the teachers added. So mean before. And so we can do that by, we can multiply, all we have to do is multiply the horizontal axis by the vertical axis. So, and then we just need to add them all up and then divide them by the total number of teachers. So that means that this is going to be 4, because 4 times 1 is 4, and then this is going to be 2 times 7, which is going to be 14, and then this is going to be 3 times 8, which is going to be 24, and then this is going to be 4 times 4, which is going to be 16, and then the last bar is going to be 5 times 2, which is going to be equal to 10. And so that means that all we have to do is add up all the numbers, 4 plus 14 plus 24 plus 16 plus 10, and we divide that by 25 teachers. And then if I put that into my calculator, then I get like 2.72. And so that's the mean before the new teachers added. But now we want to find the mean after the teachers added. So the mean after is going to be, it's going to be 4 plus, it's going to be 4 plus 14 plus 24 plus 16 plus 10, and then plus, and then we need to add one more, so it's going to be plus 1 over 26. So if I put that into my calculator, then I'm gonna get about like 2.65, something like that. And so that means that the mean decreases because 2.65 is less than 2.72. So if we look at the answer choices, we can get rid of B and we can get rid of D because we know that the mean has to decrease. And so now we gotta find the median before and after. So the median before is gonna be, so if we look at, all the, we know that there's 25 teachers in total before, right? So we know that the median has to fall between, or the median has to fall at the 13th teacher. So like if there's 4 teachers that have 1 year of experience, and then that means, and then there's 7 teachers with 2 years of experience, and then so there's another 8 that have 3 years of experience. So we know that the median has to fall within this bar over here, because we know that there's 11 teachers with one or 2 years of experience, and there's a total of 19 teachers with 1 or 2 or 3 years of experience, right? So that means that the 13th teacher has to fall within 3 years of experience, if that makes any sense. So that means that the median before has to be 3 years. It's going to be 3, and then the median after is going to be, since there's 26 teachers, that means that the median is going to be it's gonna be the average of the 13th and the 14th teacher. And so we know that the 13th and the 14th teacher has to fall within this bar, within 3 years of experience. So that means the median's also still going to be 3. And so that means that the median stays the same. And so that means A is wrong, and that has to be C.